assume that this is a person. This is a person and this is the mirror. Okay, the person has his eye somewhere here. This is exaggerated view. This is the eye. This is the head portion on the top of head. This is the feet. This is the mirror. If the person want to see himself, then what should happen? Light from the foot should fall on the mirror at a proper place so that the reflected light will reach his eye. This is eye. Okay. Similarly, if you want to see the top of his head, light from the head should fall on the mirror and it should symmetrically reflect back to his eye. Okay. That means from here to here, like this. You should understand that this point here is half the, it's at the against the midpoint here. Similarly, this point here at the bottom is here. Okay. Now, which part of the mirror is used? You don't need the upper part of the mirror. This portion, upper part is not required because from that light will not reach his eye. Lower portion is also not required. From there also light will not reach. Now, what should be the height of the mirror and at what height should it be from the floor? Assuming the person is standing on a ground here. Okay. See this. From top to bottom, see this distance. This is the height of the person, the total height. Okay. Call it as total height. Now, this is the position of his eye. This is his foot. Okay, let me call this distance from his eye, to his foot. This distance, let me call this distance as x, and from his eye upward, let me call it as y. By geometry, you can prove that. See, it's all by geometry. Use a lot of similar triangles. I'm not explaining that part, but you can try this. Okay. See, if the distance from eye to the foot is x, then from here, midpoint of the mirror here, look here, from bottom, this will be equal to x by 2. Similarly, if the distance from his eye to the head is y, then from the center of the mirror to the top of the mirror, that is equal to y by 2. So, what is the height of the mirror? Height of the mirror, let me call it as h, is equal to x by 2 plus y by 2, which is x plus y by 2. X plus y is nothing but h. So, height of the mirror to see complete image is half the height of the person. And from what distance from the floor? What is the height of the mirror from the floor? And that is, you can see it is the remaining portion here, this shaded portion, which is half of the distance between his eye and his foot. The lower edge of the mirror must be at a height, lower edge of the mirror, this is a mirror, its lower edge must be at a height equal to half the distance from his foot to his eye, and the total length of the mirror equal to half his height.